This is the definitive guide to resolving Valorant Vanguard PC crashes and system freezes. After personally encountering these disruptive issues and meticulously testing numerous approaches, I've identified several effective methods to restore stability, which I will now share with you. The first step, restarting the Riot client and then running Vanguard as an administrator, addresses potential conflicts and ensures the anti-cheat has the necessary permissions to operate without interruption, preventing immediate crash triggers. Verifying game files and updating Windows are crucial because corrupted game data or outdated operating system components can cause deep system instability that Vanguard exacerbates. Disabling in-game overlays and checking your system specifications ensures that background applications aren't competing for resources or that your hardware isn't being pushed beyond its limits, both common causes of unexpected shutdowns. Reinstalling Vanguard itself, which is Method 1's final step, provides a clean slate for the anti-cheat, removing any lingering corrupted files. Method 2 begins with updating graphics drivers, essential for smooth rendering and preventing GPU-related crashes that anti-cheat software can sometimes trigger. Clearing Valorant's cache and checking disk health ensure that no temporary files causing corruption and that your storage is functioning optimally, preventing read-write errors. Temporarily disabling other antivirus programs is vital because conflicting security software is a prime suspect for Vanguard malfunctions. Adjusting game settings and monitoring system temperatures address performance bottlenecks and overheating, which can lead to system instability under load. Reinstalling Valorant as the final step in Method 2 offers a complete refresh of the game and its associated files. Method 3's clean boot system isolates the issue by starting Windows with minimal drivers and startup programs, pinpointing external software conflicts. Uninstalling other antivirus software completely removes potential interference. Updating your BIOS ensures your motherboard's firmware is current, which can resolve hardware compatibility issues. Checking RAM integrity and disabling game mode optimize system resources and prevent Windows from interfering with game performance. Removing temporary files and reinstalling Riot Vanguard as Method 3's conclusion further solidifies a clean environment. Finally, Method 4 starts by changing your power plan to ensure maximum performance is available, not throttled by energy-saving settings. Checking event viewer logs helps diagnose the specific error codes causing your crashes. Repairing corrupt system files using SFC and DSM commands fixes underlying Windows issues. Updating network drivers ensures stable connectivity, which can sometimes be a factor. Disabling full-screen optimizations and reinstalling graphics drivers provide further system stability. Verifying the Vanguard installation one last time ensures its integrity.